Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Qhui Bartender Kit 18.6 oz. Stainless steel Martini Shaker, a Jigger, a strainer, a bar mixer spoon, tongs, etc, etc, etc. It is a full area bartender mix set. Awesome. It's really good for bartender gifts. Yeah, for beginners of course, and professionals too. Leak-proof and easy to open. That bartending kit will leave us shocked with how easy it is to make professional drinks at home. With the leak-proof cocktail shaker, we won't have to worry about any spillage or getting our measurement wrong. The Martini Shaker set also comes with unique recipe cards for party funner cocktail mixing experience. It's rust-proof and dishwasher safe. The Martini Shaker features a high-grade inner which does not leach harmful chemicals nor affect our beverage flavor. We can use it in a dishwasher. Yes, it's made out of good steel. It's a gift for anyone would love to have to be a bartender guy. Yeah. Wouldn't we be excited? An elegant gift packaging makes this the perfect holiday gift. Boston Cocktail Shaker Bar set with the elegant packaging. This cocktail shaker set is a perfect gift for cocktail lovers. And we have a top quality and performance, heavy duty and high grade bar kit. This entire cocktail set is made of stainless steel alloy SS304 and SS430. It's all dishwasher compatible, so forget about wear and tear with these bar supplies. Oh yeah, and you can mix everything in it. You can mix cocktails. Cocktails. This is an alcoholic mixed drink, which is either a combination of spirits or one or more spirits mixed with other ingredients such as fruit juice, flavored syrup, or cream. There are various types of cocktail based on the number and kind of ingredients added. The origins of the word cocktail have been debated. The first known written mention of cocktail as an alcoholic beverage appeared in the Balance and Columbian Repository, Hudson, New York, May 13 in 1806. This is history. The early 2000s saw the rise of cocktail culture through the style of mixology, which mixes traditional cocktails and other novel ingredients. And of course, you can mix mocktails with it, a non-alcoholic mixed drink. It's virgin cocktail, a boneless cocktail, a temperance drink, or a mocktail. It is a cocktail-style beverage made without alcoholic ingredients. Cocktail rose in population during the 1980s and became increasingly popular in the 2000s. The use of cocktails has proliferate deep into the drinking culture. Those who did not drink alcohol found themselves in a situation where other drinks, by comparison with cocktails, were generic non-alcoholic drinks. Because of the demand for more visually and aesthetic appealing drinks than normal soft drinks, the concept known as mocktails was born. And with this set, you can mix awesome mocktails. Mocktails, an abbreviation for mock cocktails, are restive, non-alcoholic party drinks. The word mock implies a facet of the alcoholic cocktail without any of the alcoholic content. In the 2000s, it has become so popular that it even finds its place on the cocktail menu. In many restaurants and bars, maybe now at your home bar, home style beverage making style, baby. Really awesome. This is a cocktail shaker set, and you will get outer 3 or 4 stainless steel mirror polishing. Under it is stainless steel. Then comes matte wire drawing. Ooh, everything what we are going to need to make a nice cocktail bar at home, for example. We have so many parts in it. A beautiful stainless steel cocktail shaker set to keep our mixing great cocktails and mocktails throughout the season's festivities. Creates 3 up to 6 drinks per each drink shaker, or 6 up to 10 shots with it. Perfect for cooling down any drink of our choose. Can make any drink, including classic Manhattans, martinis, and other mixed drinks like Sex on the Beach. Is versatile enough to be used as a Boston shaker. It comes with the Jigger, 2-sided 0.5 1 ounce to ensure proper balance in our cocktails. It comes with a mixing spoon, plus tongs, plus strainer, plus the recipe. The cocktail shaker will not rust or leak because of the stainless steel 80.6 ounce cocktail shaker. Yeah, Boston tin that can hold up 3 drinks with a built-in strain lid and prevent the cocktail making kit from retaining odors or staining. No rust and it's leak proof. And 8.85 inches stainless steel mixing spoon. With its professional stainless steel look, we can stylish and effortlessly combine cocktails with a simple stir. This spoon can reach to the bottom of almost any tall cocktail glasses, so we can go wild and create some giant tasty masterpieces. And double measuring jigger. No matter what type of drinking we are creating, we need to ensure proper balance in our cocktails to maximize the flavor of our drinks. Our cocktail strainer. This keeps pulp and ice from making their way into our margarita. Ice tongs, perfected grip teas, great for gripping things. Make of stainless steel too. Safe, durable, simple, versatile, modern, comfortable. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. However, hand washing is recommended. It offers versatility in bar, home kitchen buffet, or jobs such as gripping ice cubes. And the cocktail recipe guide. So many special cocktails and mocktails to create with that tools here, with that set. It is really easy to build them up and have good party at home. This is the cocktail shaker set. It's a bartender kit. Nice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.